Hey guys, it's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. We're out on an inspection and we're just got approval for the cleaning. We're gonna go ahead and clean it. I went in and started before recording just because it's so cold out. But basically they had delivered vent covers, complete 100% clog. So now we're gonna clean it and we're gonna replace it with a no pass. We do have some wet lint in there. I don't know if you can see in there, try to get you in there. But I gotta get above it, get you adjusted better so you can kind of see what's going on. There we go. Again, this is Scott, 317-430-3993. Locally owned, veteran operated business. We're in Avon right now. And you're supposed to get your dryer vents done once a month. I mean, once a year, sorry, once a month. Once a year. You should get this done. But a lot of this wouldn't have happened over the year if it would have been a proper vent cover. If a proper vent cover would have been used to keep it from clogging up, then it would have lasted even longer than what it did. So that's why we recommend to go ahead and make sure you have a good vent cover that's going to last a long time for you. I don't know if you can, but I can really start hearing the dryer picking up. It really sounded really loud. I should be close to the first elbow that drops. These are extremely long runs. Yeah, I just went through the elbow. So yeah, we can really hear that dryer kicking. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. 317-430-3993. There we go. Now we're through. Whew. Oh, wow. So you can see that I'm pulling more lint out. However, the dryer is really, really loud. So I'm really feeling good that we got this cleaned out. So we have a total run of 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So we got a pretty long run, but we'll see if we can get in here. Yeah, so do you know what's inside your vent? Call me, I'll show you.